Alright guys, Craig here. Today's video is going to be on the Neewer studio lighting that I bought at the end of last year for some client work. It is going to be on the usage that I've had in the last month and how I found that overall. Firstly, I want to comment on the build quality. It is incredibly rugged and the thumb screws have not shown any sign of slippage during use on that client work and other client work and all of these YouTube videos that I have been filming recently. The carry cases have proved to be a godsend. You can fit 2 lights into one carry case, which is great for client work in small environments that you know that you're only going to need the 2 lights. Moving on to the lighting quality, it is incredibly good for small and medium areas for filming and likewise for photography. However, I did run into one issue during the client work with the dance studio, which you can check out on my business Instagram page down in the links below. The issue I did run into was one of colour frequency. Due to the nature of the shots I was taking, it was fast movement, therefore a really fast shutter and lots of shots one after another. I have yet to discern whether it was lighting or whether it was an in-camera issue. However, every second or third image did end up with a green hue over it. In conclusion, I would say that this is a really strong candidate for startup businesses who can't outlay massive amounts of money on lighting solutions. Likewise for YouTube creators who have a small area or are just starting out. Hopefully this has been a really quick video, guys. If you did like this video, please consider hitting that like button. If you have any further questions, I will endeavour to answer them. Leave them down in a comment below. And if you want to see more from me, the likes of tutorials on this channel previously and short films and some tech review like this, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. But until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill. Peace.